Hi guys, so we're back on the RS again. Before it goes for tyres, we're going to do a little check and make sure TPMS sensors are working.
Yeah,
or that it's got them.
We know it's got them.
Yeah.
But the battery life depends on use 6-7 years.
Yeah.
This car's reaching that point now.
Yeah. So we want to check that they're actually still functioning correctly.
Yeah, we don't want to pay for a fancy road force balance and straight track and everything.
Yep.
The tyres are going to have to come back off and get new sensors.
Okay.
So we can use something called the Bartec Tech 600, which is a TPMS scanner. So this will tell us the pressure, the ID, and the battery condition.
Excellent. So this is going to tell us that if the sensors are duff and if they're working, and the battery condition and life of each sensor.
Yep, exactly. Okay. That. So we're just navigating through. Select what vehicle we have, Focus, and this is a 18 model here, which is over there. It's asking me if it's January to July or August to December. I'll say January to July, and you can do just a check. So we want to do check sensors, and it knows on the, well, it starts on the left front, picks it up from the back. So that's telling me the PSI is 31, battery status is okay, and the overall status is good. So there's no need to replace the TPMS modules in these. We can just put a service valve on.
Right, okay, so the sensor can, the TPMS sensor can stay in when you get new tyres and just replace the actual valve bit.
Yeah.
Excellent.
That's the expensive bit.
Yeah. Well, that's good. So we can do that on every wheel and check all sensors are okay.
Yeah. So it's happy again.
Excellent.
Nearly fell over. PSI maybe.
Oh, your tyres a little bit low.
So all good. It even tells you the temperatures, sensor ID, technical. Yep. So all happy.
So we're all happy with the TPMS on the RS.
Yeah. So now we just need to get more service valves. I don't need to replace the modules.
So now he knows before he takes this to have nice new fresh rubber fitted to its boots, all the sensors are working correctly and they're fine. So if anything does happen, I'm assuming it's handy to know if anything happens when you've had wheels fitted, you know your sensors were working when you went in.
Yeah.
So, you know, if you have an instance at the garage having your tyres fitted, you know your sensors were working fine and all your readings were okay. So as Dave said, you've only got to swap the actual valve on the actual TPMS sensor now, haven't you, and keep yourself a little bit cheaper, shall we say.
They're expensive TPMS.